Hi there, folks. Elaine here with WTI. I am so excited with my jewelry box by KAMIER. I just love to have everything here organized, right ready for me every day. I can have my rings, I can have my earrings, my necklaces, my bracelets. Everything is so neat and compact. I just love the color of this. It looks beautiful on my dresser. This white contrasting with the brown edges is very sleek and stylish. I know it comes in many colors. You are going to really enjoy this jewelry box. You will be able to take it wherever you need to because of this great handle, and everything will stay in place. It will be secure for travel. So folks, choose your favorite KAMIER jewelry box. I love the large one, and this is a great color. You will find so many colors that you will enjoy. I highly recommend them, and that's just my point of view.